The problems with the Maharashtra government seem to be piling up with each passing day. Since the Maha Vikas Aghadi government has come into power, there have been earth-shattering controversies and cases that have hit the headlines like never before. Starting from the Disha Salyan and the Sushant Singh Rajput case to the Kangana Ranaut fiasco, Arnab Goswami's arrest, to now the Parambir Singh and the very infamous Sachin Vaze controversy. And all of this amidst a raging coronavirus pandemic. Now, in the latest blow to the state government, the Bombay High Court has pulled it up for politicians getting their COVID-19 jabs sitting in the comfort of their lavish homes. Without naming anyone who got vaccinated at home, the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, Dipankar Datta, has said, how is that Maharashtra political leaders are getting COVID-19 jabs at home if there is no door-to-door policy? There has to be a uniform policy. What has happened has happened. If we find any report that any political leader is taking a jab at home, we will see to it. Now, another judge, Justice Kulkarni of the same bench, also remarked, the president had gone to the hospital while the Prime Minister too had gone to AIIMS to get vaccinated. If they can go, then why can't every leader go? It has been reported that the NCP chief Sharad Pawar, who is recuperating at home after a medical procedure at a hospital, was given the second dose of his vaccine at his residence. A photo of Sharad Pawar getting the second dose of vaccine had gone viral too. Now, the Bombay High Court judges have said that while High Court had asked BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal to conduct a vaccination drive for lawyers and judicial staff in the medical clinic of the court building, it was denied as there was a requirement of an ICU. Are ICUs available in the homes of the leaders? The bench asked. If anyone can get a vaccine, including the Prime Minister at the centers, then why cannot political leaders in Maharashtra? They are not class apart. Even the President of India went to the hospital to take a jab. If they can go, why cannot everyone? This sends out a wrong message, the judges clearly said. The court told Maharashtra government lawyer to inform the concerned department that appropriate action will be taken if the court comes to know that the leaders are getting vaccinated at their home. And now, before the next hearing on April 21st, the High Court has asked the central government to file an affidavit on vaccination protocols and whether senior citizens can avail a door-to-door drive. Before the closure of the hearing, the bench also said that it would also like to hear the vaccination issue further. As we find from reports, the state is running out of the vaccine stock. That is another concern to be addressed at a relevant situation, the bench said. However, the Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan has blamed the Maharashtra government for spreading the stories of vaccine shortage to distract attention from their failures and spread panic among the people. The judges were hearing a PIL filed by two advocates, one Dhruti Kapadia and another Kunal Tiwari, who are seeking court's directions to the centre, the Maharashtra government and the BMC to provide door-to-door vaccination facility for people over the age of 75 years, the specially abled and the bedridden. The petitioners had said that there were many people who called for help as they were unable to go to the vaccination centres. So what are your thoughts on this story? Let me know in the comment section. We can connect on Instagram, it's @ReviewRon. And thank you, a lot of you have been messaging and we have been chatting. So thanks for responding to this. And of course, you can always subscribe here if you find my videos interesting and worth your time. But like always, even if you decide not to do any of that, thank you so much for watching and Jai Hind.